right? Like, this is... Clap if you're having a good time. Come on, there, yeah, there. This next one's going to be absolutely fantastic. This guy coming to the stage, I've worked with him a couple of times up in town. Absolutely fantastic. I need y'all to start clapping right now. Start clapping right now for Don Schexnider, everybody.
What y'all get quiet for? Nobody give a fuck. He finna get these jokes. Hold on, I got an Android. Y'all go ahead and start clapping. Show some love, my dog, Mr. Garrett over here. You about to lose.
No pressure.
Yeah, no pressure, right?
No pressure. We're gonna let age go before beauty.
That's fine.
Look at the brakes on. Look at the brakes on. We're gonna start this bad boy. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You look like you coached the Special Olympics so you can find a girlfriend that can't outrun you.
You look like you call your waitress at Cracker Barrel the help.
You look like you're almost a successful golf cart salesman.
You look like you wear a cock ring and call it my precious.
You look like Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson lost his gym membership and went to Michael Jackson's dermatologist.
You look like you go up on your wife.
You look like you met your dad on Maury Povich.
You seen that episode? You look like you park your mobility van only in school zones.
Wow. You look like you prepared for the show with an Ozempic Nugenix Total T enema.
You look like if Craigslist was a person.
You look like you were conceived through a glory hole at a family reunion.
You look like you get your balls caught in your spokes.
Twice a day.
Twice a day.
Yeah. You look like you sell nearly new catalytic converters on eBay.
Everyone has a side hustle. You look like you throw darts at Target employees.
You look like you can only get a hard-on under an overpass with a homeless person.
You look like you belong on a box of Unlucky Charms.
Man. You look like you chase tornadoes to find free building supplies for your house.
You look like you still touch yourself to the Sears catalog.
You look like you went to 23andMe for a sperm count and found out, and you were diagnosed with multiple personality disorder.
Let's see here. You look like the reason they built a ramp on the Ark. I'll go to hell, yeah, you're right.
You look like Meg Griffin from Family Guy did a threesome with Shaq and Brian and doesn't know who the father is.
You look like Squidward's house.
One more jump.
You look like Dollar Tree used ChatGPT to make a person.
Don, you're my buddy, but you look like James Dean after the crash.
Woo! Y'all give it up for these roommates. It took a lot of courage.
So nice. That's so nice. Give it up for him one more time. That's absolutely fantastic.
You like the old man from Family Guy that's always chasing Chris.
You look like Kevin Hart attack.
Boy, you look like Sammy Sosa Dreams. Everybody that's racist get it.
You look like you deep throat Olive Garden breadsticks.
Look like when you get pulled over, you say, "Hey, I'm not black." The fuck? Oh shit!
You look like white people use you to tell if their steak is done.
Is that the new paper bag method, nigga? What the fuck is that? You look like a ghost of yourself. What the fuck? You look like one of Casper uncles, nigga. Oh, shit.
Oh, man. Sorry. Are you going to go do his physical therapy later?
That's a lost cause.
I bet you drive a Honda Accord with nuts on the back of that bitch. Cheater looking ass.
All right, but there can only be one. There can only be one. If you want to see Don Schexnider going on to the next round, make some noise.
Y'all want to see my dog Garrett make it to the next round? Go ahead and make some fucking noise.
Winner, winner, chicken dinner. All right.
Now you got to help him get off the stage. That's what you win.
There you go. I got it. Don't worry about it. Yep.
I got it right here. Where is it? Get the fuck off the stage.
We're in a hold. We're in a technical hold for a second. All right, there we go. Get over Don and Garrett one more time, everybody. We're at the final heat of the first round. Have y'all had a good time so far? They've been going nuts. I love. For some reason, this state is really good at being mean to each other. Like,
Yeah.
I literally stopped. I stopped at a gas station right when I got over the bridge from Texas, and the gas station's like, she's like, "Oh shit, it's Haggard with autism," and I was like, "Why would you say that to me?"
I walked up and high-fived the bitch. Good shit. That was nice, man.
You want some liquor, baby? Just
This shit off of this breast milk.
yeah.